Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Alfas arikady, and today in this video we are discussing about how to customize your ringtone with your names. And also you can apply more background musics like iPhone ringtones and etc. And there is no need to download any application in your device, and this is completely free and 100% working trick. And you can use this trick in your iOS and Android devices in a perfect way. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to video. And at first you want to open your Chrome browser or web browser in your device. And after opening your device, and the website link is given below the video description, you can click the link and you can join this website by seconds. And after that you will appear a new website, free ringtones, download ringtones and option, and there is a once again option quick links. And in the quick links you can see Hindi ringtones, name ringtones and etc. And here you want to select the name ringtones by clicking this option. And after that once again you will enter a new website, create and download name ringtones and etc. And here you want to select the green button named create your name ringtones, and once you want to click this option. And after that there are 3 steps to making your ringtones beautiful. And the first step is create your name or enter your name which you want, and here I am writing my name as Alfas. And you want to second step, you want to choose your text message like please pick up the call, someone is calling you, you have a call and etc. And also you can add your custom messages like hello or etc. And if you are typing your custom message, you want to select the custom option, and here you want to write the custom message which you want to type here. And here I am selecting my one of the text, someone is calling you. And after that the last and final step is select the background music. And here you want to select the background music by clicking this option, and you can see more background musics like phone bell, message tune, romantic, theme music, alarm, iPhone ringtones. And here I am selecting iPhone ringtone to make a beautiful ringtone. And after that click the make ringtone in the green button. And after that you can see generating, and our ringtone has been generated, and here is preparing our ringtone. And if you want to download this ringtone to your MP3 file, you want to click the first option. And if your device is Mac or iPhone, you want to select download M4 or. And if you once again you want to customize your ringtone, you want to select the customize this ringtone. And if you click this, you will go to the last website we have been entered. And after that now let's check how is the ringtone is working or not. And here I am selecting the play button to playing this ringtone to you.
Alfas, someone is calling you. Alfas, someone is calling you. Alfas, someone is calling you.
And our ringtone is perfectly working, and I think you will enjoy our video. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.